going to make a paper airplane, and you're going to need a piece of paper. First, we're going to fold a piece of paper in half.
The long way.
After that, we're gonna fold it. And we're gonna fold it from here. We're gonna fold from there to here. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. After we have this, we're gonna fold this down. So we're gonna fold it from this top to over here. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna have this, and then we're gonna fold it in again, like this, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And now we have a paper airplane. Thank you for watching. Bye!